Alright, hey guys, Anson here from Irish Forge Homestead. So today is going to be part 2 of our shed build. Woohoo! So we went ahead and got some lumber, and I'll show you that right now. Here's all of our lumber. So this is going to be walls. If only we could just go.
Anson was about to procrastinate, so I said, "You have everything you got here. Get her done."
Yeah, it is a little on the cool side. Hired some help, some free help.
Free help.
So we're going to go ahead and start building some walls for this. And we are still building stuff in sections and pieces. That way we can move it to where it's actually going to go. Because before we actually install it and start putting it together, we have to move a fence first. So that's another project that also has to be done before we can do the shed build, before we can tear down the storage area, before we can build a blacksmith shop.
We're getting there.
All right, so let's get busy.
Last night I seen you with him up in town. Yeah, got to thinking, girl, I'm still your clown. Tell him the only thing that he needs to know it all. Tell him I'll be right here when you call. Tell him it's over, that you changed your mind. Tell him your heart aches, you've lost it this time. Tell him the only thing that he needs to know it all. Tell him I'll be right here when you call. Someone's out there just waiting here for you. Tell him I'll be there. Every sky's all blue. Tell him the only thing that he needs to know it all. Tell him I'll be right here when you call. At least one more time, tell me you love me. Let's go back to that night. Tell him the only thing that he needs to know it all. Tell him I'll be right here when you call. Tell him someone's out there waiting here for you. Tell him I'll be there. Every sky's all blue. Tell him the only thing that he needs to know it all. Tell him I'll be right here when you call.
All right, so I actually went back to the store along with getting some of this other lumber and went ahead and got the 12 footers. So as you can see, it's going to go all the way across. Now, I just feel more secure knowing that it's supported all the way across. All right, and then all of this ply here that you see us working on over the raised garden bed, that's going to be the decking for inside. So that will get cut down to a 6 foot piece here, and then we have our center rib, and then we'll have another 6 foot piece over here, and then I'm going to put down a footer with some treated on top of the decking, both front and back, and that will really lock all this down even better, along with the help of the deck. And then this will be the place that we will mount our walls. So here we go. So we got, these are the 2 back walls. So we went ahead and did 2 6 foot. So these are 6 feet wide by 7 feet tall. All right, well, the stud here is 7 feet tall. So add 3 inches for your bottom plate and your top plate. And then over here, we have the 2 front walls. So those are 4 feet wide. Okay, and it'll leave the very center open for a door. And then we have our 2 side walls, which are 3 feet 5 inches, and that's what will fit in between our back wall and our front wall here. All right, so I definitely appreciate you guys for following along. It was just a quick time lapse. The wife and I out here trying to enjoy what good weather we did have. It did started getting a little, chilly here at the end. The sun is definitely going down. It's definitely getting much colder. We are expecting rain tonight, so I do need to get this plywood decking into the shop. That way it's not getting rained on. All this other stuff, if it gets rained on, it gets rained on. I really don't want it to, but hey, it is what it is. So like we were saying though, we are going to go ahead and get all this set up into place where it needs to go, which is going to be on the side of the house over there on the other side of the fence. So but before we start storing anything in it and doing what we really want to do with this, we are going to move this fence. So this portion here will go to the very front. So we're going to take it all the way to the front corner of the house, and then we need to buy an additional 2, possibly 3 more panels of fencing, and then I need to dig holes for some posts. All right, so that's the fence we got to do, along with that fence back there. Hey, projects are never ending around here, but we're getting to it. The weather's starting to turn around. We do have some cold coming, but I don't know. I think spring might be in the air, or at least it's coming. All right, y'all. Definitely appreciate you guys for following along. Hit that thumbs up, give us a subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Share us out to your friends, and see y'all next one. Bye-bye now.